Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe. I am Aurobindo Chandra Sikdar, English teacher, Bhol Mirzapur Haji Jamiluddin School and College. Today, our class is on grammar. Today's topic is suffixes and prefixes. Now, dear students, you know there are 8 kinds of part of speech. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Of 8 kinds of parts of speech, noun, adjective, verb and adverb are called base word, keyword or root word, and pronoun, preposition, conjunction and interjection are called subsidiary word. Subsidiary word is not changeable, but keyword or base word or root word can be changed from one part of speech to another part of speech. This method is called affix. Now look at the board, dear students. Noun, adjective, verb, adverb. These are called base word, root word or keyword. And then pronoun, preposition and conjunction, interjection. Root word. Dear students, noun, adjective, verb and adverb are called root word, and pronoun, preposition, conjunction and interjection are called subsidiary word. But remember that these subsidiary words are not changeable, but root word or base word or keyword can be changed from one part of speech to another part of speech. This method of changing is called affix. A-double-F-I-X. Affix. Here, affix means to add, to sum up, jog kora. There are two types of affix. Number 1, prefix. Number 2, suffix. Listen again. There are 2 kinds of affix. They are number 1, prefix and number 2, suffix. Prefix মানে উপসর্গ আর suffix মানে অনুসর্গ. Now let us discuss about prefix. What is prefix? Prefix is a letter or group of letters added at the front of a word to make a new word. তো বাংলায় বলা যায় প্রিফিক্স হলো এক বা একাধিক অক্ষর যা কোনো শব্দের পূর্বে যোগ হয়ে নতুন শব্দ গঠন করে। ফর এক্সাম্পল, look at the board. dear students, prefix root word, new word. Now, firstly, I have written prefix, next root word, keyword or base word, and new word. For example, B, prefix B plus root word come equal to become. This plus honest equal to dishonest. You can write other examples. And now let us say suffixes. What is suffix? Suffix is a letter or group of letters added at the end of a word to make a new word. তো বাংলায় বলা যায় সাফিক্স হলো এক বা একাধিক অক্ষর যা কোনো শব্দের শেষে যোগ হয়ে নতুন শব্দ গঠন করে। তো ফর এক্সাম্পল, now look at the board, dear students. For example, the example of suffix are happy plus yes. Happy plus this happiness. Here we can see root word is happy, suffix is ness, and new word is happiness. Kind plus ness equal to kindness. In this way you can make another new words. Now, dear students, let us say the most commonly used prefixes, their meaning and examples. Look at the board. Now look at the board, dear students. The most commonly used prefixes, their meaning and examples. Prefix, implied meaning, and examples. Prefix in, it implies increase, বৃদ্ধি পাওয়া. For example, increase. increase, enrich. Next, un. It implies negative meaning. For example, unhappy. No. Negative meaning, unhappy. Re. Re implies again, punorai. For example, rewrite. In this way, you can make another words. Rewrite. For example, next prefix in, if, in, if. This implies negative meaning, not. For example, incorrect. For example, incorrect. Incorrect. You can also say impossible, irregular. Next, dis, dis. This implies opposite. This implies opposite. For example, dishonest. dishonest. Non. It implies negative meaning. Not. Non. Not. Non-smokers. Odhumpai. For example, non-smoker. It implies not or opposite. For example, impossible. 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 Okay. Next prefix, over. O-V-E-R. It implies above or extra. উপরে অথবা অতিরিক্ত. For example, overtime, overwork. Overtime. For example, you can also write overtime, overwork. Next, prefix ill. I-L. It implies opposite meaning. For example, illegal. Opposite meaning. Illegal. Next, myth. Myth implies wrong, bhul. For example, mistake, misguide. Mistake, misguide, you can write another examples. Next, prefix sub, S-U-B. Sub implies under, niche বা অধীনে, under. For example, you can write subcommittee. Subcommittee, উপকমিটি বা উপসমিতি. And anti, A-N-T-Y. Anti. It implies against, বিরুদ্ধে. For example, anti-dandruff. Sometimes you may use anti-dandruff shampoo from the market. Okay? Anti. Against. Okay, dear students, now I will discuss about some commonly suffixes, their meaning and examples. Now, dear students, look at the board. The most commonly used suffixes, their meaning and examples. The most commonly suffixes are s oblique s, s or es. It make a verb plural or pluralize. Pluralize, or you can write make a verb plural. For example, books, goes. Next suffix is ed. It implied past tense, past participle form or adjective. Past tense, past participle form or adjective. Okay, ed implies past tense or past form or past tense or past participle form, past participle form or adjective. For example, helped, helped. So now, dear students, suffixes ed. It implies past tense or past participle form or adjective. For example, helped, have helped. Next suffix ing. It implies present participle form, gerund or adjective. Gerund, present participle form or gerund. Okay. ly. Next suffix is ly. It indicates how and where or something happens. For example, slowly. For example, slowly. Okay. So indicate how, when, happen. For example, slowly, friendly. Next suffix er. It indicates a person who does a particular work, or it may indicate a comparative degree. It implies a person who does a particular work. Okay? And it also implies comparative degree. Now, a person who does a particular work. For example, player, খেলোয়াড়, and it implies also comparative degree. For example, taller, bigger, etc. Next, suffix ic, having quality. গুণাবলী থাকা, having quality. For example, patriotic, দেশপ্রেমিক, heroic, etc. Next suffix abolible. Okay, and it implies, it indicates state, condition or degree. State or condition or degree. For example, invisible. Okay. For example, invisible, অদৃশ্য. Next suffix is ness. N-E-S-S. Ness implies having something. কোনো কিছু থাকা. Ness means indicate state, condition or degree. Brightness, kindness. Okay. Next. Brightness. Okay. Ness indicate state. I have again saying ness indicate state. Able indicate. Listen again. Able to be. সক্ষম হওয়া. Able to be. Okay. For example, invisible. Okay. Invisible. Next suffix is full. And it indicates having something. কোনো কিছু থাকা. Having something. For example, handful, powerful. এক মুঠো. And next suffix is meant. M-E-N-T, meant. And it also implies completion, সমাপ্তি. For example, payment, punishment, Okay. And now, dear students, I am going to review. Today you have learned what is affix. You have also learned what is prefix, what is suffix, and you have also learned the most common uses of suffix and prefixes, their meaning and examples. Now, dear students, look at the board and look at the exercise. How you will answer the questions I am writing on the blackboard shortly. Question. Exercise. Read the text below and fill in the gaps with the root words in the brackets. Look at. Read the text. Read the text below and fill in the gaps. With the root words. In the brackets. Adding suitable suffix, prefix or both. Now let us say, read the text below, নিচের পাঠটি পড়ো and fill in the gaps with the root word. ও শূন্য স্থান পূরণ করো with the root words in the brackets. Adding suitable suffix, prefix or both. যে root word এর সাথে উপযুক্ত suffix, prefix অথবা উভয় ব্যবহার করি. Now dear students, look at the exercise. Our freedom dash fight, fought, be dash brave. Their C dash dedicate is an act of D dash inspire for us. They have become E dash mortal. They have brought F dash dependence for the country through their G dash much sacrifice. They were also H dash courage. Now we should not I dash honor our valiant freedom fighters in any way. Our freedom fighter has not come to us J dash automatic. Now the answer is, listen dear students, our freedom fighter fought bravely. Their dedication is an act of inspiration for us. They have become immortal. They have brought independence for the country through their massive sacrifice. They were also courageous. Now we should not dishonor our valiant freedom fighters in any way. Our freedom has not come to us automatically. So these are answers. Now in this way we have used suitable prefix and suffixes in the exercise. In this way you have to practice at home. Don't forget, practice makes a man perfect. Now dear students, your homework is you will practice both questions of 2019, 2018 and 2017. If you have any difficulty, I will discuss in the next class. Okay dear students, stay home now and stay safe. Thank you very much.